For those updates, Shanika, a busy weekend for all as we get ready for the holiday here. And on the weather front, got a couple of things to talk about. One being that heat and humidity. Look at these temperatures. It's already stifling out there. 88, Frederick, Germantown, Thurmont. It's already 90 in Leesburg. So we have certainly built up that heat. And of course, on top of that, the humidity is not fun. And we have dew points all the way into the 70s, even mid-70s in a few locations. So that combination is making it feel like it's almost 100 degrees out there. Now, all of this heat and humidity has already sparked up showers and storms. You're going to want to keep an eye to the sky the rest of the day today, especially back to the west where we've already had a couple of thunderstorms. One that has been severe warned as it crossed over West Virginia and now is clipping by in parts of northern Virginia. There it is right there. Severe thunderstorm warning until 12:45 for the northern part of Frederick County in Virginia. This will cross toward Berkeley and Jefferson counties in West Virginia. This is about to roll into the I-81 corridor there along the Virginia-West Virginia line with gusty winds and possibly some small hail. This could be happening the rest of the afternoon where these storms run into this very hot and humid air and really get going. So again, those storms, they will continue to be something we have to watch for the rest of your day here today. Now, tomorrow actually carries a better chance of those severe thunderstorms as a frontal boundary drops into place with that heat and humidity. We're going to see more widespread scattered showers and storms all the way over to the Chesapeake Bay coastline. But tomorrow's the only day we have to be concerned with that active weather this holiday weekend. Drier weather is set to prevail both Sunday and into the 4th of July itself, thankfully enough. But this is the severe threat for tomorrow. That yellow indicating the level 2 risk that the Storm Prediction Center has already put into place pretty much for the eastern half of the 4-state region and the DMV tomorrow, with those storms likely doing that one cell is already doing here today. Gusty winds and hail are going to be some of the primary threats. But tracking back toward this afternoon, we have that one cell already, but we could see a few more easily developing as we get toward the 1 to 2 o'clock hour, with that activity continuing through the rest of the afternoon. Now, some of these storms could leak toward the I-95 corridor, but as a general rule of thumb, most of the activity will be west of I-95 the rest of the day today. We'll start to quiet down as we get into the overnight hours, into your Saturday morning as well. But as that front starts to move into the picture, we'll see those storms fire up again around midday tomorrow. Notice how these cells are looking a little bit more intense. That chance for severe weather is certainly going to be there as that front drops south of us. But by the evening time tomorrow, we're talking about things quieting down and clearing out a little bit as we head on toward the day on Sunday. So yes, a little active today and tomorrow, but that is what we're waiting for there. Sunday and into the 4th of July. No rainfall really to worry about. But then we're keeping an eye on next week as we're going to have daily storm chances Tuesday through next Thursday.